My name is Fabian and I'm the Head of Business Development for the Digital Factory. I've been with the company ModuWorks for more than 10 years now and I have a background in industrial engineering. During my studies, I used the semester breaks to work in a manufacturing company, and there I was responsible for running a CNC machine, and basically I just loaded and unloaded the parts, I took measurements, and also I was able to take a glance at while an operator programmed that machine. And seeing that, I realized that a lot of those processes, programming, should be a lot more digitalized and more intuitive actually for the operator to run the machine. And now, here in this new role, I'm very curious to find out together with our partners on how we can digitalize those processes further.